Welcome back to our channel. So guys, today we are in our backyard and we have some few crops to harvest. Can you imagine already? Yes, we are gonna harvest some broccoli and strawberries and some onions. So don't go anywhere, stay in tune with us. Hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and drop as many comments you wanted to support this video. Okay, so guys, I'm so excited that I'm already harvesting vegetable right here in my backyard. All right, so before we start, my name is Rhoda
Michael Gabriel.
Please subscribe to our channel and be part of this beautiful family. All right guys, let's get started. So look at this raised bed. I have my broccoli. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at how beautiful it looks, guys. So we're gonna harvest this broccoli. In fact, we're gonna do the two, this one and that one. That's what we're gonna harvest. Okay, and the remaining we're gonna wait. When we need them, we will come and harvest it. All right, so watch us as we harvest this two broccoli. All right,
So guys, I'm going to cut the first broccoli. Watch me cut it. Look at it, so big and healthy. I like broccolis. Guys, I'm gonna cut the second broccoli and watch how I cut it. Look at it. I love broccolis.
guys, look at our strawberry bed. We have a lot of strawberry that is ready for harvest, so we're gonna harvest them. Okay, so don't go anywhere. Let's get into harvesting these strawberries. So guys, Gabriel Michael is gonna help us harvest these strawberries. Okay, we only gonna harvest the ripe ones. Okay, so look at them harvesting all these ripe strawberries. So if you haven't give this video a thumbs up yet, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. And if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and put on your notification bell so that anytime we upload video, you will be notified. Okay. All right, so guys, strawberry has a lot of health benefit and we love strawberries. That's why we plant them. Okay. Yes, guys. So guys, on this raised bed, we're gonna harvest some few onions here. As you can see, some are bigger and some has fallen on the side. We had a heavy rain last night, so some of my crops doesn't look good. They are not happy because of the wind and the rain. Okay, so I need just few onions. I'll be harvesting just few of them to use them. Okay, yes guys.
So guys, I'm going to pull the first onion. Watch me pull it. So this is our onions. Look at it. It's really healthy.
So guys, look at what we just harvested from our backyard. That is wonderful and looks good. Okay, so we harvested two onions and broccoli and strawberry. This is amazing right here in our backyard. Thank you so much for watching Glorious Living from the beginning to this point. We so much appreciate your time and we don't take it for granted. God bless you. If you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and do that. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to our channel. Share this video to your friends and family. Yes, guys, until we come to you with another video, stay healthy.
Happy garden!